Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Infosys sending rejection mail, why everything I am going to explain now. So watch the video till end and share to your friends and as much you can, it will be helpful for them, and just subscribe to my channel, then only you may get a more update from my channel. So let's go to the video. This is what yesterday we have got it from. Thank you for participating in our campus recruitment program and taking out the time to appear in the virtual interview round. Unfortunately, after a careful consideration, we have decided not to head with your candidate. Due to large volume of application we received, we will be unable to provide any further feedback other than the detail above. If you would like to explore other jobs at Infosys, please visit our career website. Thank you for considering Infosys. We wish you the best in future and endeavors talent. So this is what Infosys sent a rejection mail to the candidate. Why? Because of your eligibility criteria should be 60% above. For each state they are changing every eligibility criteria for B.Tech and 10th 12th marks, everything they are going to change, So I am going to keep another video within 2 to 3 minutes and you can watch it there in our channel. It will be helpful for you what all the eligibility for the states which is going to maintain by Infosys. So why they send it? Because of your poor interviews, because of your poor performance in interview rounds and the questions asked which you are all, everything you are did anything small mistakes or your resume is not good, so your skills is not there, whether you have spoken English, everything they will check out you are not fit for that, or when they going to consider you as not fit this guy because of your English pronunciation and your exams and your interview round, how you are bold, you are having logical thinking, everything they are mentioning, and what are the skills you are mentioned in your resume, that is the main thing. So give your best resume to the company's IT MNC, then only you may get a best job. So don't get loose hope guys, you are having lot of opportunity in our channel. Visit our channel daily. I am providing 2 to 3 jobs to you. So within a few minutes I am going to upload the eligibility criteria for Infosys off campus for each state. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you just contact me in the comment section. Few of them get rejection mail, few of them not get any mail till now. So they are in the waiting process for the select. They may select 50% is there, so they will select. Otherwise they are also get a mail after 10 to 3 days. It depends upon only Infosys team. One chance is there whether you won't get any rejection mail when means your eligibility criteria is above 80% all 10th 12th and academics, means you are getting lot of hopes that you will get a job. So that only I were having hope. Apart from that, your eligibility criteria 60 or 61, so it is been a 50-50 chances there. So don't get loose of, so many IT companies are there. Within a 90 days you may reapply Infosys and you can start out the exam. So if you have that, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.